While I was disassembling for another issue, I spotted a wear mark inside the adjuster. But what exactly caused that rubbing? Well, that wear mark turned out to be a clue. When the bolts that hold the primary shoe aren't spaced correctly, they stick out the back of the adjuster and interfere with the lock teeth. Here you can see the bolts sticking through. This makes the whole assembly sit at an angle, causing the chain to rub. So how do we fix it? We installed a new kit here. A couple of washers could have solved it, but with other worn parts, replacing the whole assembly made more sense. The kit included the two washers that were missing from under the heads of the bolt to get the spacing correct. I like to add some blue Loctite to the bolts before installation. The key here is to tighten the bolts just enough. Not too loose, but not so tight that the adjuster shoe gets squished. We want to line up the hex with the locking tabs, then fold them over to hold the bolts in place. Here you can see the lock tabs folded over against the bolts. You can see when looking at the bottom that we haven't over tightened it and squished the shoe. You can see the washers in place underneath the lock tabs. Keep that spacing in check so the bolts don't protrude the back and interfere with the locking mechanism. Another important detail I almost forgot to add is making sure that you install the primary shoe in the correct direction.